for clicking on it. Today we were riding at some sand pits. Some of you may recognize this place from a video I made just about a year ago. I camped near here, and last year was the first year I brought my bike. This year I did too. Something that's exciting and a little bit different from last year is that this year my brother as well brought his bike. His, I don't know what year, new, like 2013, 2015 KTM 252 stroke. So that's really exciting. We've been riding together. I got some good footage, a couple little falls. While I've been on this trip, there's been a little bit of a successful video on my page. The riding through the school video. At this time, I think the video has like 250,000 views, and my channel went from 300 subscribers to like 2,200 right now. So to all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. It means a lot to me. Pretty exciting. I know it's not, to a lot of people it seems like nothing, but I think it's kind of cool, and hopefully it keeps growing and we can have some sort of channel here. After watching this video, if you liked it, leave a like. It really helps out. It gets the video to more people's eyes and it really helps me out. We'll be scooting around the pits with my bike, my brother, and my little cousin on his 150. Let's get into it. Tree. It had to be done. That part where you tried to go up, where you went down and then up, yeah. I just tried to, and I just almost made it. Like, as long as you keep your wheel spinning without your front end coming up, like even if you go really far forward and just keep it spinning, like, you're lighter than me, I'm sure you'll make it. But like, I went along the bottom and did a turn. I'm gonna try. Yeah. I'm gonna try again. I don't have any speed hitting it though either. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Don't follow me though in case I don't make it.
I would have made it if I didn't hit your rut.
Well, that's your fault.
Yeah, I know.
Go over to those hills, ride a little more, and then go back.
What?
Let's go over to those hills over there, ride a bit more, and then go back.
I have to poo.
Just ride a little longer.
The shit is coming out and it's going home.
Okay. You want to stay a little longer?
Yeah.
thought you were gonna hit me.
Wanna put 10 shots in my brain. I've been tripping about some things can't change.